Morning everyone, Kai here with Sculpt Craft Studio, and I thought we'd do something a little different today. I know we've posted quite a few unboxings. I thought it would be nice if we did one on boxing something up ourselves to send out. So we have a frozen hide here, which is solid. Everything came out of the freezers right now, and they're going to go in the box right now. The label's going to go on it when it's ready, and it's going to immediately go to the shipper. We don't like to package them and let them sit around. We try not to pre-package them and put them in the freezers because it's an insulator both ways, which seems like it would be fine. We've had some not do well. Like, we've got some ourselves, stuck them in the freezer, and bad things happen. I don't know if they were defrosted in the box when we got them, or they were insulated from the outside cold. I don't know. We're not sure what happened, but we don't put them in the freezer anymore with stuff in them. So usually ice pack on the bottom, and this is a styrofoam mailer made for shipping stuff, but package on the bottom. We've got a little space. We're going to stick one in the side. This in between. Put another one here. And we'll put one on top. Now, if we leave space in there, and this gets knocked around, bad things can happen. So we will actually take something. We like to recycle, so we've got some of these. We're going to use these newspaper, balled up newspaper works just fine, just as long as you've got something in there. And then we'll seal it up. They then go in a separate box. Which will get taped. This box has that it's perishable on there. If it didn't, we'd write it on. But just tape it up and send it. We do like to reuse stuff, like I mentioned, so this actually came probably from the hospital. If we can save you guys money, we do, but you can check health centers, hospitals. A lot of them, when they get meds and things in, they will sell or give away these boxes, so something nice to keep a lookout for. But that's all we've got for you this morning. Hope that kind of helps demystify some of the packing and shipping, and also show a little bit how we send ours, in case anybody's worried. Thanks again. See you next time.